To clear your Google Chrome history, you first have to locate your Chrome browser and click on it. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. On the top right corner, continue to click on these 3 dots. Then you have to scroll down and tap on Settings. Then continue to click on Privacy and Security. Then with this selected, under Privacy, you have the option to click on Delete Browsing Data. And for the time range, you have the flexibility to choose whichever options that best suit you. You can either make it in the last 15 minutes, last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or even all time. So in this case, let's make it all time. And for the browsing history, you can proceed to check it. And if you want to add additional features like cookies and site data, you can proceed to check this one. Or cache images and files, you can also proceed to check it. Or any of the other subsequent ones, you can continue to check it or uncheck it. Whichever works for you, that's it. After that, you can then continue to click on Delete Data. And that's it. You have successfully cleared your Google Chrome history. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.